Wiresat package with CSP. This one is R4A 4G SIM card. This one is USB antenna. This one is GPS antennas. This one is 4G antenna. This one is Bluetooth Rearview antenna. This one is Canbus. This one is power cable. This is the accessories. This central control screen fits the 27th to 2022 Home.CRV. It has a 10.33-inch display and the resolution 1600x720, Acro UIS 7870 processor, 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. The front side of the central control screen, the rear side of the central control screen. How to switch to the UIV3, tap this icon, and then you can see the 3-card layout interface. How to drag the card to change its position and unlock the card side easily. Don't press this icon and you can change the position freely as you like. And also, you can change the card content. Tap this icon and then choose app. And also, this one can be replaced too. All this stuff can be replaced. And then tap this icon. You can enlarge it as its prime original size. Look at this starter bar here. How to call this line? Don't press any icon and then you can choose the app you like. Slide down the screen and you can see the dropdown menu. Here is the screensaver. It's very beautiful. Here also can adjust the brightness and the value. This is the night mode. Don't press this icon and you can change the theme of the original card. Then back and the interface has changed successfully. How to change the card model? Don't press the card model and then test one icon you like. Tap this icon to change the card model directly. And let's see the menu. And there are so many app here. Tap this icon and you can see the setting here. This is the Wi-Fi, GPS info, general, with the function here. Factory password 3368. Wireless setting, protocol setting, display. You can adjust the bright light, brightening adjustment. This is the night. And tilting for you. This is the sound. You can adjust the sound mixing scale here. App, storage. You can see how many storage you have. Location, password. Look at the video player. Tap this video player. See the beautiful video. Tap this icon and choose more window mode. Now let's look at the equalizer. This one is the DTS. This is the equalizer. Many styles for you to choose. Sound, feel, setting. 4 mode for you. Surround sound, stereo sound enhancement, reverberation, bass boost, sound filtering. Now let's connect the CarPlay, and you can see, wow, so many beautiful things here. And you can see the message, music setting, and you can change the wallpaper into red, burning red. And the music, very beautiful for you. Look at the media. This one is the music player and this is the playlist. This is the radio FM and AM to option for you. This is the Bluetooth music. This is the online postcard. This is the playlist for you. Now let's look at the YouTube. There are so many beautiful videos for you to watch in the YouTube. And also, this is the short video for you. Look at the Play Store. There are so many apps for you to download. And also, let's see here and search for the app you want. And here, there are so many internet books for you to read in the car. This one is the Google Map. Here, you can search for the destination to anywhere.